Earlier this year, we upgraded setup sheets to make them more collaborative, customizable, and information-rich. I wanted to take this quick tip to cover some of the improvements and what I'm enjoying about the new setup sheets. First and foremost, be sure to create your setup sheet from an NC program to get the new and improved experience. If you aren't familiar with NC programs, I did a video on those a while back explaining the benefits, and I would highly recommend making the switch. This will open a new Save dialog that allows me to select existing Fusion projects and folders in which to save the setup sheet. Note that these are locations already within Fusion, since one major enhancement is that the setup sheets are stored in the cloud and therefore inherit many of the collaboration benefits that Fusion offers. Once you click Save, the setup sheet opens in a new dialog box. Right at the top, you can select different configurations from the dropdown that give more or less detail, including images, so you are getting the setup sheet that's best for your needs. You can even create your own customizations from the Manage section of the toolbar, choosing which parameters to show or hide, and save the configuration to have it appear in that dropdown list. There's also a new and improved summary section right at the top of the setup sheet, which features more visible warnings for programs that use multiple work coordinate systems or manual tool changes for better visibility. In the Tools section, any tools with a product link entered in the tool library will have a live link on the setup sheet. Each section of the setup sheet can be expanded or collapsed for easy viewing and to reduce visual clutter as you move down the sheet. If you need a paper copy of the setup sheet, you can also click the printer icon in the upper right to send the setup sheet to your printer. But we are also working to reduce or eliminate the need for paper copies on the shop floor, since they are one of the ways we hear that people struggle with version control and communication issues. In the data panel, I can see my setup sheet is here, complete with version and shareable link. It's available to view and configure on Fusion Team, meaning operators can open, view, and comment from a tablet or mobile device when they're on the shop floor. If there's an update to the toolpaths or tooling, creating a new setup sheet will version the existing sheet. You can see this change in the data panel, and when you open the setup sheet on Fusion Team, you can see the previous versions as well as make sure that you are on the latest version. Comments are also grouped by version to further limit confusion. With all these improvements, we're hoping to make setup sheets easier to use, more accessible, more customizable, and more collaborative for your entire team, keeping you on the same page and improving the connection across the shop floor. As always, let us know what you think in the comments, like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe for more.